Hi everyone, welcome to Dinky Funlands. This game designed by the EcoQuest game. So I will teach you guys how to play the game. So first of all, we would have a characters that depends on each one of you guys players gonna choose. This game will be able to play from 1 to 5. So yeah, the maximum is 5. So the minimum should be 2. Alright. So there will be 5 characters that we have to play, and we have an extra. I will come along with this one later, which is I call him a killer. So after you choose either one of you guys to get the characters, each one of the characters will ask you guys to choose and pick up either one. The action cards. The rules of the game: action card we can carry only 5 cards. So the action cards we can carry like this 5, and we have to hide from each others. So explain this one first. This is an action card, and this one is a curse card, and this would be the golden item card and the magic card, or we call it the curse card for some time, but we call it magic card for so everybody wouldn't be confused with this one and this one. Okay, after you outside the round, we can use 2 dices, and inside the round we can use only 1 dice to play the game. So such as when we come out from this one will be the one that we can choose to either keep moving along or can get through inside. So the green one will apply to an action, and the purple will apply to this one, and this one will get rid of this one. So there will be 2 positions over here, and this one as well. You have to pick a curse card. So this is how we do. So such as this, for example, I play as a Stan Froster. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got curse card, so I have to pick up the curse card, and let's see what I got. Such as this, I have to move the card on my desk, on my deck, and appears to everybody. This one will work like when either one, each time you play the dice, right? I've got 10, so I have to minus 1 to do to the curse card. So I have to move 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like this. I have to pick up this card again, and pick up, and then come to see myself again, and put it to my deck. So, or I can choose to come inside here. 8, right? So the 8 is like I have to move in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I got this one, I stand on over here, right? I have to bring the golden card, the golden item, and collect them. After I collect them to reach 120, we can leave and come to here to buy the key and win the games. And this is the fun part. We can kill each other. So this is how it's working. Such as when we dice, we get 4 or 3, we can just 1, 2, 3, 4, and this person would die. Well, in the reality, it had to fall down, but I do it in the opposite, so everybody will understand. So once this person die, he cannot play 1 turn. So when he's reached 1 turn, so he come back, he has to pick 2 cards, and then come back itself. And the second time he die, he cannot play 1 more turn, and then you get the card and then put it itself. And the third one, once he died, he will be a dead man. And once he become a dead man, this first of the person who died for the third and definitely dead, he will turn into killer. And the killer can kill everybody, but either way, nobody can kill him. So, well, that's quite indestructible. But actually, the player, if he come into here and step over here, and then he need to find the card, and he can either, that he can kill the killer. Well, I have to find. There will be either one of the card that can get rid of the killer. This one. this one would kill the killer, and then everybody need to go back, need to reverse each step of them. So the killer almost unable to eliminate it. So if he kill everyone, the last man standing would win. So the killer will win. Okay. So I will come to this one. Once either one of you guys come to step on this, you can use this card. You can pick up this card. It depends on you guys. So this is going to be the draw, and this one going to be a blockade. So the blockade will either one you can choose to block over here or block over here. The purpose of the blockade to enforce the people to get into here, but he can leave. And once it activated, this one have to go back here. And the draw. Once you got a draw, you can choose either one of the location within this here. If, for example, I put it here. Once she inside, so I have to put it to this one, right? I have to -1. I have to go back. So this one will be active, and then go back here. So this is how these trap gonna work. So once, one more thing, I forgot to explain you one thing. Once you got this one, right, I have to tell you what are these do. So once you get this one, right, and then you move to over here, right. Once you dice your dices, and then you step over here, this curse card will be removed. Depends on if I play as a froster, and the froster will get rid of the curse, and all the curse will be deactivated. So I hope everybody would understand. If you guys have a question, you can ask us anytime. So we would update the alpha design in the future, but the rules of the game would be the same. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this broad game in the future. So see you around. I hope you guys gonna love it.